Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech TV. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your email address on Soundcloud. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you want to change your Soundcloud email, then follow the steps. Open up a web browser of your choice and go to the URL box at the top and type in www.soundcloud.com and press enter on your keyboard. Make sure that you're logged into your Soundcloud account by entering its credentials, and once you're inside, go to the upper right hand corner and click on these three dots located at the upper right. Now, from the expanded menu, click on Settings. This will open up your Accounts tab. Inside the Accounts tab, you'll be able to see your primary email address for SoundCloud. If you want to change that, simply go ahead and add a new email address by clicking on this Add an Email Address option and enter your new email address you'd like to add. Once you provide your email address, click Add. Now you'll need to confirm your email address, so quickly go ahead and open up this email address inbox on a new tab and you'll receive an inbox from SoundCloud. Click it open and click on this link that says confirm your email and you'll be able to confirm your new email address. Go back to your SoundCloud account and refresh the page once. You'll be able to see your new email address displayed right beneath your current email address. Simply click on make primary in order to make this email address the primary one. And now you can remove your previous email address by clicking on this little trash icon and clicking on delete. As you can see that I've added my new email address as primary on SoundCloud. That's how you can easily change your email address for SoundCloud quick and easy. Pretty simple, isn't it? I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.